I read the peace message in 58. I suppose it was quite an honour to be asked, really, because, you know, you were chosen from the senior pupils of the school, and I had to be very careful with the hat to make sure I hadn't damaged the velvet on it or anything.
There was an element of that a statement was being made, and I was the, you know, I was the representative, if you like. So it's like quite a humbling thing in one sense, that you're this little person and you're speaking on behalf of, you know, a nation of kids, as it were.
My father was Jack Rhys-Roberts, who was vice chairman the very first year of the Eisteddfod, and then he was chairman from the second year right up to 1970. And by the time it became my turn, because it was always a child, mainly daughter, sometimes there were a couple of sons, of parents who worked very hard for the Eisteddfod, either the executive committee or very chairman of other committees. People who had worked very, very hard, and it was a little way of showing appreciation. I did feel I was talking to the children of the world. I wasn't talking to the audience of the Eisteddfod. And although we weren't very political at the time, I think we all felt we wanted change. We were children of the 60s, and it was a feeling of let's do something positive. Let's change the world for the better.
Back in 2009, I composed and delivered the peace message for the Llangollen International Musical Eisteddfod. 9 years later, at the age of 25, I'm still in Llangollen and looking forward to this year's Eisteddfod. It was very much a turning point for me. I'd never done anything like that before. They were my words, they were from the heart, relatively spontaneous, as I say, written in a very short space of time, and go for it.